just making some art real quick. It's something for a series. Y'all don't get to know it yet until the cast animation is uploaded. And guess what? Yes. Hold on. Let me go onto my Flip a Clip. Guess how many frames it is? 945 frames for 18 seconds. Oh, God, that's loud. Come on, man. Sorry about the goddamn ads. But, yeah. I got a little thing that I am currently doing. And, I hope you enjoy it. And I swear, if audio does not show, I'm gonna be mad. But, here's Willow, the somewhat emotionless being. Only reason why he's somewhat emotionless is because he does have emotions, he just hides them fairly well. And yeah, poor little bean. A little note on him. The reason for the cuts on his arms is because, for one, he is, well, hold on, he has a backstory. Basically, he's, in my AU, the king of hell. And he was the kid of Lucifer, along with Case Don Seacon. His old name used to be Louie, and Louie was a deer, not a teal wolf. And, yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna go post this because, yes,